Oh, you got a dolphin. Nice.
Baby dolphin.
Yeah, big. No, they're big.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it looks small here. Oh, shit, look at it.
A whole bunch of them.
I know, there's like 6, 7. Oh, nice. Wow, what a jump. There we go. Holy shit. There's a whole pod there.
There's 10 of them. Look at that.
Oh, here it comes. They're jumping. They probably at least like 5, 6 feet long, those guys. Awesome, you get to catch it.
Oh, they have the flying fish.
Yeah, the flying fish. They see the flying fish all flying over the place. Look at that. Oh shit, they're chasing them. Oh man, there's a lot of them too, yo. Yeah, look at all the flying fish just flying out. Nice. Wow, that's right there, yo. Oh, there's someone back there. Oh, guess they're gone. Oh, at least we caught it.